Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1060 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to try out this Winky Lux Glimmer Balm, and I'm trying it in the ornament version in the shade Ruby, which is a limited edition version. They have their Glimmer Balm like as a regular year-round product, but this one here, this red one, is their holiday special edition, and I am so excited because it's one of those color changing lip balms, which I think are so fun. And Winky Lux always makes the cutest products. The packaging, both the boxes and the product itself, are always so adorable from Winky Lux. And so I want to give the disclaimer that this was sent to me for free in PR from Winky Lux, but this is not a sponsored video. I just really wanted to do a dedicated video on this to see how it really is. But it has a retail value of $16 and it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, and vegan. So let's see. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. It basically looks like a balm of glitter. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is like the most beautiful lip balm I have ever seen. Kind of goes with my nails there. Ooh, it has a really nice vanilla-like scent to it. Ooh, what a nice surprise. All right, first things first, I want to go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, a nice jelly feel, which should be really hydrating for my dry lips. And you can kind of see it already changing color and just kind of becoming more of a darker pink. Ooh, I'm so excited to see how it's going to look on my lips. From that swatch, I don't really see any glitter or sparkle. I mean, it has some pretty shine, but I'm curious if it'll actually have like glitter when I apply it to my lips. I do notice a hint of glitter and sparkle, which is really pretty. It's almost like a little subtle surprise of the glitter. Like it's not too chunky or intense glitter at all. And I definitely get a really pretty shade of pink. And it's kind of looking like a muted hot pink, which I love. And it really does feel so comfortable and hydrating on my dry lips. It basically just has the texture and the finish of a lip balm. Like it's not too matte, it's not too shiny, but I really like this color that it turned to. So let me do a before and after picture of what the shade looks like on my lips. I just think this is such a beautiful shade of pink. I'm curious about any transfer. There's maybe like a little slight hint of transfer, but that's something that I love about these color changing lip balms, is that it gives a really beautiful kind of lip stain look of color to the lips. Does it look like that kiss mark got a little bit darker? Maybe a little bit, but I do find that these tend to be long lasting. So a really great, easy way to wear color on the lips. So it's so comfortable, so flattering, just so quick and easy to apply, which is something I always love. So I'm really happy with this. I think this is so much fun. If you have tried this or any of the other glimmer balms from Winky Lux, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.